This project is really unique in its location. On one side of the project, on the east, we have a hill, which is a retired pasture, and then on the other side we have the horizon and the Coromandel Peninsula. This is why we called it Hill to Horizon House.
So one of the key ways of engaging with the hill behind is through this carved out space in underneath the roof form, where a large dining table is able to sit and where people are able to engage with the hill and also through the house to the horizon on the other side.
First and foremost, the brief for this project was for a holiday home. Fundamentally, it needed to be a multi-generational family home that could cater for 2 people or breathe and expand to cater for multiple families.
With the material selection, we wanted to bring in some elements from outside with the warm and welcoming timber and black steel that's used on all the balustrades outside. Just really to bring a bit of warmth and a bit of tactility to the interior spaces. In contrast to the downstairs bathroom, which is deep and moody and the little splash of gold, the upstairs bathroom has a nice grey tundra tile throughout it.
So when you're down in the reserve looking back up at the house, on the right-hand side you can see somebody sitting within the window seat, and that's framed. But then as we come round to the active deck, we've shaped and folded and pleated the roof form, but also the walls to be able to really push us out towards that view.
At the end of the day, the sun goes down, the lights come on, the fireplace is lit, and everyone can engage in the living room but still be part of the element.